See, and guys, as you can see, all scripts have been added successfully. Hello there people and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without loading any mod or anything. Imagine, guys, it's working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here or let me just show you. So open your profile on your browser and go to your Roblox profile and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool, just a second. And then you have this paste button and automatically you will get your user ID. Press continue and let's see. As you can see, it found, and the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select these scripts. So let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for nowadays. Apploop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. And I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the poll check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's test this. So okay, let me play this blocks first. So let's see. And guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game and we have this panel. So thank you for using Delta. We have this message. So let me click here, guys. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. So just click execute and enjoy in your Delta Executor. So let me click here. We have this panel searching for, okay, let's see. And guys, as you can see, all scripts have been added successfully and it works amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.